Hello everyone, I am Kuanfan Chen and I want to show you how to create a world with structure based on prototypes. And this is my company, AS Studio. This is our work. We made a lot of structure of wooden architecture. This is Taiwan. This is the way Taiwan uses string trains to transport wood from mountain top to the mountain bottom in the past. In Taiwan, there is not much formal education about wood, but there is a group of people. We love wood design. And now Taiwan has a lot of forest resource, but its self-sufficiency rate is only 1%. And we formed the Wood Home Association to share the beauty of wood with everyone. Members include scholars, architects, engineers, and builders, and the regular people. Together, they want to create a more wooden structure to protect the earth. This is something we make in past, and we want to create the prototype of Taiwan. The wood can create beautiful architecture in Taiwan. This is a map showing where wood structure in Taiwan. Let me show you. So in this map, we can see many wood structure in past or right now. Today, we are working hard for us to prevent the destruction. Show you with you the story of our project, the Taichung Bridge. The bridge, unlike the common project, is not made of steel or concrete, but rather suspended using wooden components. And this time, we want to challenge using wooden structure to make this bridge. This is the plan, very long bridge. This is our first large span bicycle bridge. When working with architects, we propose the concept of a wooden bridge, which led us to challenge the thinking of a large span with wooden structure. The bridge is 180 meters long with a maximum span of 6 meters. In the middle section, I designed a suspension balance structure for such a large span. So it's very long structure, so we need consider temperature effect. In temperature, it may be bending, so we need consider the force. And also we consider the detail about how to make, how to construction. So we made some very detailed. This is the model we design, and usually we create the real model to check the force is balanced and to check our design is right. And this is complete bridge. the RCV column, and the steel arch, and the suspended wood structure to form this city, the urban landscape. This is a very nice curve and a beautiful line to shape the city. This is in the night, the unbalanced, but it's balanced. And to show something natural material to people, let them to know wood structure is possible. So I want to show you a movie. This is a bicycle bridge in Taichung. Okay, next one, I want to show you a new building combine old building by wood. This is connecting new and old structure with wooden structure. The location is in Chiayi. This is art museum. The design concept of this case comes from wanting to establish a new art museum in the old city area, but there is no new site available, and a real design using older building is adopted. The architecture design concept is to preserve the original facade of the old building and add an art museum to combine the texture of the old facade. Therefore, through the combination of glass and silty wood, we have created a structure to complete the facade design that belongs the fusion of old and new. In addition to reducing self-weight after removing acid wall to help reduce seismic force, there is also a new understanding of old building. So you can see the new facade is combined wood and glass. Another action is to design an art museum lobby so that all space can be unified. By designing modern wooden structure, it is possible to create a huge, amazing space. We used triangle to combine the past two buildings. So in structure system, we have 3 proposals, and the 3 proposals new, different space to architect. Finally, we choose proposal 3. We have a new construction to combine the new and the old building, including the glass facade, the wood roof, and the RC grid slab. This is final section to combine the new architecture and the old structure. We choose the beautiful shape beam to form this space. And this is a structural drawing. We need to design the detail of wood about the different direction and the connector of this member, like this beam, this column. And it also become facade structure. This is structural drawing. And the different section to form this beam. Like this one. And this one, we consider the detail. And we make real model to check the real thing and the constraint, the method of construction. This is our real model. The gray color is older building, and the white color is new building. And this photo show how to construct the wood and the steel structure. You can see the wood structure show very, very nice color, and it can make us to feel something different, something about new feature, something about new and old structure. So this is a new museum. This case takes 6 years from design to construction to reinforcement. The wood used in the triangle hall is Japanese frog pine, while CLT is from Australia. This case also received the highest honor of the Taiwan Architecture Award in 2020. So we get the urban city, the very nice art museum in the city. And we can see outside the old city by the glass facade, and we can feel nature inside, and also to see the very nice, very beautiful arch. You can feel the structure, combine the space, and to form something new.